Good morning children. In the previous session we have learnt about the two methods of developing young ones. First one taking birth from mother's tummy and second one hatching out of the eggs. In today's session we will learn the third method of developing a young one, that is metamorphosis. In the previous session, as we have seen, there are similarities between a goat and its kid and between a hen and her chicks. But a caterpillar and a butterfly are very different. So from this, we understand that in some animals, the young one grows into an adult animal that looks very different from the young one. This change of form is called metamorphosis. Now, let us see the life cycle of a butterfly. You can see a picture on your screen. In this picture, you can see various shapes of butterflies that are a part of our environment. They live their life among plants. There are 4 stages in the life cycle of a butterfly. These are egg, larva, pupa and adult. The adult stage is called a butterfly. Next, you can see the image of the plain tiger butterfly, which is a very common one. Let us take its example to see how the growth of a butterfly takes place. Now, look at the picture of the female plain tiger butterfly. The female plain tiger butterfly lays an egg on the milkweed leaf. Milkweed means rui. In 6 to 8 days, larva emerges from the egg. The larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar. When the caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is very hungry. It begins to nibble and eat the leaf on which it emerges from the egg. It eats very fast and so its growth is very rapid. The caterpillar of the plain tiger butterfly grows so rapidly in the first 2 or 3 days that it does not fit in its skin anymore. But under the old skin, a new loose skin is formed. Then the caterpillar sheds the old skin, that is, it molts. Here is a new term, molt, to shed old skin to make way for new growth. Again, it begins to gobble up the leaf and continues to grow. Gobble up means to eat too fast. In 2 to 3 days, it molts for the second time. In this way, it molts 4 times. It remains in the caterpillar stage for 10 to 12 days. Just before the last molt, the caterpillar weaves a button of a silken thread on a stalk or a leaf and hangs itself from it. When it molts, this time it forms a pupa, which is the next stage of its growth. The pupa of a butterfly is called a chrysalis. Here you can see the image of a chrysalis. In the next picture, you can see how a butterfly emerges from its chrysalis. It remains inside the chrysalis for the next 11 to 12 days. And during this, some important changes take place in its body. As a result, the growth of the plain tiger butterfly gets completed inside the chrysalis. Then the adult butterfly emerges out from the chrysalis. Now it has 4 attractive wings and 6 long legs. All butterflies go through these stages of growth. Do you know, children? For each type of butterfly, the type of plants on whose leaves its female will lay eggs is fixed. The time the larvae take to emerge from the eggs is different for different types of butterflies. There is great variety in caterpillars. Different types of caterpillars are of different colors. Their body is long. Many types of caterpillars are hairy. So children, in today's session, we have learned about the third method of developing a young one, that is metamorphosis. Thank you.